My question for you
Sawadee
is why we are here.
We are here to watch the launch of the SpaceX CRS-15 that will carry the Bird 2 satellite, 3 of us, 2 satellites go to International Space Station.
Okay, my question to you is, for anyone who doesn't know Birds 2 satellite, how would you describe it, the Birds 2 satellite?
Birds 2 satellite is one unit cube satellite. It's as small as this one, 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, and has a mass of around 1 kilogram. The Birds 2 cube satellites will perform technology demonstration missions such as camera mission, storm forward mission, and APRS digital mission.
So how many missions total?
It has a total of 6 missions.
Total of 6 missions. Okay.
So one important mission is the APRS digital mission. It is an amateur radio on the satellite that can be used by the amateurs to send or exchange messages when the satellite is above them.
The first question for you will be, there are just T-minus 50 minutes. So 50 minutes more to go for the rocket launch. How do you feel exactly?
Same exact way. Nervous. Yeah.
So not excited.
Excited, of course. This is the Philippines' first CubeSat. So maybe I will be relieved if I will see the rocket approach the space safely.
Azami-san, tell me something about the camera mission. What you are going to do with the cameras?
Okay, for the camera mission, I think we just use the same as Birds 1 used, same module, but this time we put 2, I think for redundancy. And this time we will make the resolution, spatial resolution become more high. So I think that's a good chance to see a very clear image of the Earth. And we hope the satellite will be stabilized quick so that we can capture nice view images.
Tell a little bit of yourself and the satellite.
I'm Kiran. I'm from Bhutan, and I've been part of this Burst 2 project. So Burst 2 project, here we are 3 countries building 3 1U CubeSats: Philippines, Malaysia and Bhutan. For Bhutan, this will be the very first satellite. So this is a very exciting moment, and right now we are waiting for the launch, and the nervousness is a little creeping in, but we are hoping for a successful launch.
The second stage engine is also being cooled down to be ready for moving all that super cold propellant. And there you saw it. The maintenance is cut off. The 2 stages separated. And vacuum burning really bright has begun. The second stage is now carried.
So check it, now the satellite is launched. Hopefully it's gonna be deployed very soon. And you guys are gonna end up with the first satellite in Bhutan.
Yes.
So how is the feeling right now, and what's going on through your mind?
It's really fantastic right now because as you I'm feeling really great right now because as you have seen just a few minutes ago we have a successful launch. Of course we are talking about the SpaceX, right? So I had no doubt what the SpaceX could do. So this is just one step closer to what we are trying to achieve. So we are hopeful for the release from ISS, and then we are eager to do the operations.
So beside you, beside Tokunaga-san, you're the only Japanese in Burst 2. So when I first talked with Tokunaga-san, he was very glad that he created many satellites. Horyu 2, Horyu 4, Ava 3, birds. So what about you? How's your feeling right now? Kanji wa dou desu ka?
感じは、まあ、I'm glad because it was successful, but I'm worried about when satellite will be deployed from ISS.
One question to all three of you. Burst 3 is next. How do you feel? Ima no kanji wa dou desu ka? Kakimoto-san?
Yeah, but I'm very fearful. I'm in the OBC. I'm developing OBC part. So my case in the code may be very complex. So it takes very long time. So I think I fear, but it should be improved from past.
Okay, Uemura-san.
Sorry, I am belonging to past.
Burst 2, okay. So how do you feel now?
なんて言ったらいいんだろうな。やったぜ。
So Burst 2 is launched.
Right.
Roughly 1 year back, Burst 1 had the launch.
Right.
So we can say, as a theme of continuity, roughly 1 year after, Burst 3 will be launched.
Exactly.
So how much you're prepared for that?
I think, we're waiting for Sri Lanka and Nepal to get to space after Bhutan, right? So very excited. We're in the engineering model phase right now. And so far so good. There will be a lot of problems, but we're up for the challenge. Yes.
That's what I like to hear.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Lift off.